XRP is the real thing, Bitcoin is the distraction, behind the door lies the truth. And while the world chases glitter, the real gold is being quietly forged. XRP wasn't built for the hype, it was engineered for the backbone of global finance. Ripple Labs. Partnering with the world's leading banks to rewire cross-border payments. A transaction zips across the screen, instantly settling. Compared to a slow, rusted Swift machine. While Bitcoin gasps for confirmation, XRP settles in the blink of an eye, cheaply, efficiently. It's no wonder institutions and retailers are turning their heads toward a new standard in liquidity. Ripple's team shaking hands with regulators, courtrooms fading into policy meetings. Cooperating with regulators. Making peace with governments while shaping the future. XRP acts as the bridge currency in Ripple's on-demand liquidity solution. Resetting the outdated, turtle-paced Swift network into a new lightning-speed global system. Bitcoin. It's the Motorola of crypto, nostalgic, but obsolete. XRP. It's Elon's rocket, built for Mars, built for tomorrow. Bitcoin's failed mission. Bitcoin was never meant to be digital gold. It was a peer-to-peer payment dream. But that dream fades, as users still wait through bathroom breaks just to verify a transaction. Bitcoin mining rigs draining power. Bitcoin guzzles energy like an outdated relic. Its environmental toll. Massive. Unsustainable. Bitcoiners waving flags, pleading governments for adoption. Irony echoes. What was once the symbol of rebellion is now a game of big money and desperate calls to the very institutions it vowed to defy. XRP, the future global payment infrastructure while everyone watches Bitcoin. XRP is quietly laying the pipes for a new financial reality. ISO 20022. BRICS to dollarization. CBDC interoperability. The future isn't loud. It's being built in the background. Bitcoin was created by a ghost. And when even 4 Satoshis are revealed, the distraction will fall. And XRP will rise. XRP isn't just the future, it's the infrastructure for the financial reset. The door is open. Will you step through?